am back with another crafty haul for you guys. I am transitioning to getting back into making, and it's just taking me a little longer than I would like. So for my next few videos, they probably will be haul videos, but I will show some makes that I've done with the products that I've received. So for this haul, this is going to be Honeybee stamps. Now I did order some of their sale and retiring items, so you'll see that in here. Some of them aren't. And I did place an order for my mother-in-law, who is now getting into the crafty goodness with me. So the first thing I got was this waffle flower. And I seen this on their website, and I would have ordered it from Waffle Flower, but Honeybee had it on sale. So I got the 7 by 5, or 7.5 by 11 inch grip mat. I've kind of played around with this. I'm a little scared to get her dirty, but I do want to use more of my stenciling with these guys. So the next one, now these aren't new down here, but I did get the hot foil sentiments that they had and the coordinating die cuts. So this one is the foil scripts, wishes, plates, and dies. I like these. They're decent size, so they're easier for me to handle. And then the next one I got was the fancy frosting. So I did get the stamps and the coordinating dies with it, and they, like I said, they were on sale for like ridiculously cheap, so I got that. I also got the balloon ABCs and the Be Bold ABCs. This is what I'm talking about with these mats, these magnetic sheets and these folders. Like, they fit everything on here, so I'm excited to use these. I also got the Love You Bunches stamp and coordinating die, and then I also got the Scandinavian. So I added more than one stamp and die set with this. So I also got the Scandinavian Christmas. Let me get this out of here. The Scandinavian Christmas stamps and dies, and I like that they have been including these layering guides. I really like these. They're easy to refer back to. So there was that one. I also got the Little Birdies Honeybee stamp and dies. These are adorable. I love birds. I have 10,000 bird feeders around my house all the time. And then I also got the A2 Mountain Builder add-on. So it's so nice that they all just fit like right on these sheets. And like I said, I will be getting some more of these. I also picked up a few stencils because they were $1. And it's really hard to pass up stencils when they're $1. So I got the, I believe this is the seeds. And then we got the little hexagons. I hate that they don't mark, and I should have marked it. The stones. I know they're really hard to see in here. And then I got their hill and grass borders. And then their Halloween set. I also picked up, now Honeybee was a pretty big order because, like I said, I ordered some stuff for my mother-in-law as well. I also got the Valentine's patterns. And I did get the tie the knot set and their little envelopes. And I did do a little gift bag with those on it. I really like this set. And this set's retiring, so if it's still there, I believe it was only like $9. And then I got the farm fence and the wispy clouds. Let's see, which one is this one? These are the trees. And then this is one of the snowman builders. And these are the smaller pockets to the larger pockets. I also got the birds and the bees coordinating stamps and dies. And here I found out when I was going through my stash that I actually already have the stamp set. So here are these pockets that I got off of Amazon. Really nice, really easy to use. You can write on the back of them. I just use my label maker to, label most of my stuff. Now I have to go back through and label a bunch more because I was just trying to get them organized. So that was it for my Honeybee stamps haul. And like I said, I will be having some more, a couple more hauls for you guys. I know I have Lawn Fawn. I think Lawn Fawn and press plates. I did get the better press system. So that might be my next video that I post. So have a good day, guys.